Hi, Joe. How's it going?
Hey, Tommy, how are you?
What did the homeowners decide?
So this is the gate that the homeowners decided on. It's a little bit different than the gates that we looked at last week. They wanted a little bit more of a simpler design. So we went downtown and looked at some gates, historic gates in the Charleston area, and drew some inspiration from that.
This is quite a piece right here. What do you call this section?
So this is kind of a horizontal motif that has some half laps in here. Work the same way as half laps in wood.
Oh, I see. So you have a notch and the piece inlays and then becomes flush.
Exactly, and we cut it with a saw and chisel it out too, same process.
Oh, pretty cool.
Right here we've got a scroll overthrow, just to kind of give the piece a little bit more movement.
So that's the top of the gate right there.
Exactly.
Pretty nice. I like these twists right here.
Yeah, the twists give it a little bit more of a contemporary feel to it, and it gives it a little bit more movement because iron, you can really bend it and morph in it any way and just give it a flow.
So now this is a scale drawing, and this is a pretty good sized gate. It's almost 6 feet tall and it's 5 feet wide.
Exactly.
So from the scale drawing, I noticed that you have here, is this the actual dimension of the pieces?
This is the actual size of the horizontal motif, and that's the actual size of the scroll overthrow. It just, drawing it out in actual size gives us a little bit more certainty when we're creating the piece.
So it's like a template, so you can take the piece and lay it over it, but if you wanted to make multiple pieces, they'll all be the same.
Exactly.
It's pretty cool. So I'd love to watch you get started.
Awesome. Let's.
Okay. About how hot is that fire?
It's about 3,000 degrees in the center.
3,000 degrees?
Yeah.
So when you're hitting there, I could actually hear the steel become soft by the sound of it. You know, you can feel the hammer that's pushing. Yeah. Pretty cool. So now you're starting to make the nub.
All right, let's see how this looks up against the drawing. First,
Okay.
I'm going to put some tracing paper over so I don't dirty up the drawing.
Okay. Wow.
A little bit more fine tuning and we'll have it.
Boy, you're almost there. Well, I got to say, Joe, that took a lot of work. How long is it going to take you just to make this one top piece?
Probably a week just for one of these sections right here.
So 2 weeks.
Exactly.
Wow. Well, how long is it going to take to build the whole gate?
It could take us around 2 months to make the entire gate.
Wow, that's a lot of work, but very impressive. Nice job.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.